Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Students, today we shall solve Child Development and Pedagogy portion of HTET Level 2 एग्जामिनेशन. स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम HTET Level 2 TGT के चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट एंड पेडागोजी के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, who stated that personality is the sum total of innate and acquired dispositions? Number 1, Martin Prince. Number 2, Alport. Number 3, Valentine. Number 4, Kettle. Students, the correct answer is option 3, Valentine. Now question 2, out of the following, which one is not the characteristic of insight? Option 1, incidental. Option 2, response in novel situation. Option 3, habit strength. Option 4, response spontaneity. Students, the correct answer is option 3, habit strength. Now question 3, who stated that an individual is intelligent in proportion as he is able to carry on abstract thinking? Option 1, Terman. Option 2, Dearborn. Option 3, Buckingham. Option 4, Kelvin. Option 1, Terman is correct. Now fourth one, what is the process of releasing the hidden emotional suffocation and powers inside the children called? Option 1, emotional stability. Option 2, emotional sensitivity. Option 3, emotional catharsis. Option 4, emotional competency. The correct answer is option 3, emotional catharsis. Now fifth one, a type of thinking in which one interprets sensation with experience is known as what? The correct answer is perceptual thinking. Option 2 is correct, whereas reflective thinking, creative thinking and critical thinking are incorrect. Now question 6, out of the following, which one is not the stage of creativity prescribed by Gordon in his syntactic technique? Option 1, detachment involvement. Option 2, finding something similar. Option 3, deferment. Option 4, concept formation. The correct answer is option 2, finding something similar. Question 7, which is the oldest method for the study of behavior? First, experimental method. Second, clinical method. Third, psychophysical method. 4, introspection method. Students, the correct answer is option 4, introspection method. Now question 8, which of the following is the characteristic of introverted thinking type personality? 1, realistic and practical. Number 2, absorbed in his own intellectual pursuit. Option 3, supports theory with facts. Option 4, propagates his views with insistence and vehemence. Students, option 2, absorbed in his intellectual pursuit is the correct one. Now ninth one, what did Freud consider the paternal love of girls? Option 1, Oedipus complex. Option 2, Electra complex. Option 3, narcissism. Option 4, feeling of dependence. The correct answer is option 2, Electra complex. Now question 10, when a person tried to make his or her thoughts and action according to other whom he liked to follow, then this kind of activity called which type of defense mechanism? Option 1, identification. Option 2, projection. Option 3, rationalism. Option 4, displacement. Students, the correct answer is option 1, identification. Now 11th one, sometimes the children of gifted parents are born with less intelligence than their parents or vice versa. Which law of heredity is called? Option 1 law of regression. Option 2 law of selective traits. Option 3 law of maternal and paternal lines. Option 4 law of chance. The correct answer is option 1 law of regression. Now question 12. How many cards prescribed in Rorschach ink block test? Option 1 12, option 2 10, option 3 30, option 4 31. The correct answer is option 2 10. Now question 13. Which one of the following is not the common speech disorder of childhood? Option 1 depletion of energy, option 2 lisping, option 3 slurring, option 4 stuttering. Option 1 depletion of energy is correct. Now 14th, which one of the following is false statement in context of development? Option 1 development involve change. Option 2 the development pattern is unpredictable. Option 3 early development is more critical than later development. Option 4 development is the product of maturation and learning. Option 2 is correct. The development pattern is unpredictable. Question number 15. According to Jean Piaget, between which age the child develops abstract reasoning? Option 1 6 to 8 years, option 2 8 to 10 years, option 3 7 to 9 years, option 4 11 to 14 years. The correct answer is option 4 11 to 14 years. Now 16th question. Out of the following, which one is the subject matter for study of Gestalt psychologist? Option 1 cognitive process, option 2 consciousness, option 3 mental and behavioral process a wholes, option 4 modes and problems of existence. Option 3 mental and behavioral processes a wholes is the correct one. Question 17. Who is known as the father of educational psychology? Option 1 E.L. Thorndike, option 2 Pestalozzi, option 3 Herbert, option 4 Froebel. Students, the correct answer is option 1 E.L. Thorndike. Now 18th one. Which is the fourth stage of psychosocial development of an individual according to Erikson? Option 1 intimacy versus isolation, option 2 identity versus role confusion, option 3 industry versus inferiority, option 4 generativity versus stagnation. Correct answer is option 3 industry versus inferiority. Now question 19. What is the age range of puberty stage? Option 1 10 to 12 years, option 2 6 to 12 years, option 3 11 to 16 years, option 4 8 to 10 years. Students, the age range of puberty stage is 11 to 16 years. Option 3 is correct. Question 20. Out of the following, which one is wrong characteristic of delinquents? 1 damaging school property, 2nd bullying and mockery, 3rd torturing, 4th asthenic in constitution. तो स्टूडेंट्स डेलिंक्वेंट्स की जो रॉन्ग कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है वो है एस्थेनिक इन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, शरीर रचना में एस्थेनिक. नाउ क्वेश्चन 21. Out of the following, which is correct sequence given by James Lange's theory of emotions? जेम्स लांजे के संवेग सिद्धांत द्वारा प्रदत्त सही श्रृंखला है. ऑप्शन 1 सिचुएशन बॉडीली डिस्टर्बेंस मेंटल स्टेट, ऑप्शन 2 सिचुएशन मेंटल स्टेट बॉडीली एक्सप्रेशंस, 3rd सिचुएशन bodily expressions mental state, 4th situation mental state bodily disturbance. तो सही श्रृंखला है ऑप्शन 1 सिचुएशन बॉडीली डिस्टर्बेंस मेंटल स्टेट. ऑप्शन 1 सही है. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. हु इन्वेंटेड सोशियोमेट्रिक टेक्निक? ऑप्शन 1 J.E. एंडरसन, ऑप्शन 2 J.L. मोरेनो, ऑप्शन 3 E.B. हरलॉक, Option 4, G.S. Marmor. Correct answer is option 2, J.L. Moreno. Now question 23. Which one of the following is the correct logical order of observational learning process according learning theory of Bandura? Option 1, attentional motivational. Option 2, attentional retentional. Option 3, motivational retentional. Option 4, attentional production. इनके सामने जो स्टूडेंट्स जो दे रखी है हमें वो देख लेते हैं एक बार. ऑप्शन 1, अटेंशनल रिटेंशनल मोटिवेशनल प्रोडक्शन. ऑप्शन 2, अटेंशनल मोटिवेशनल रिटेंशनल प्रोडक्शन. ऑप्शन 3, मोटिवेशनल अटेंशनल रिटेंशनल प्रोडक्शन. ऑप्शन 4, अटेंशनल रिटेंशनल प्रोडक्शन मोटिवेशनल. तो करेक्ट लॉजिकल ऑर्डर है स्टूडेंट्स अटेंशनल रिटेंशनल प्रोडक्शन मोटिवेशनल. ऑप्शन 4 सही है. नाउ क्वेश्चन 28. आउट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग which one activity is not suitable for satisfying the instinct's curiosity? First, avoiding positions in the class or school. Second, answering the questions of the students. Third, problem solving. Fourth, discussion in class. The correct answer is option 1, avoiding positions in the class or school. Option 1 is correct. Now question 29. Girls surpass boys physically in. Option 1, infancy. Option 2, later childhood. Option 3, early childhood. Option 4, adolescence. Correct answer is option 4, adolescence. Now question 30. Out of the following, which one of the statement is wrong in context of characteristics of sentiments? Option 1, emotions are the basis of sentiments. Option 2, sentiments are innate. Option 3, sentiments get older with the passage of time and they may even change their state. Option 4, most of the animals do not have sentiments because of they do not have intellectual comprehension. Option 2, sentiments are innate. This one is correct. So students, today we solved child development pedagogy portion of HTET TGT level 2 examination held on 19/12/2021. Thank you.